Who doesn't like a little extra money? That's why in this video I'm going to be showing you 5 income streams that you can start today. And if you're new here, welcome to Online Muscle Hustle, where all we do is find different ways we can make money online. So let's get to it. If 2020 proved anything to us, it definitely proved that having one income stream like your job isn't going to cut it, because that can be taken away just like that. That's why having multiple income streams or side incomes is a great way to invest your money. Having 2, 3, or maybe even 5 different income streams can definitely secure your income, so you don't have to worry about where your money will be coming from. So I'm just going to jump straight to showing you some different income streams that you can start. At number 5, the first one we have is using a website called Alibaba and eBay. This is a real simple one, and it costs a couple dollars to start off, but not too much where it will break you. The first step in doing this is going to Alibaba.com and searching up. What's a popular product people do is headphones, but if you wanted to do like chargers or something for like iPhones or Androids, you can do that as well, but headphones is one that sells very good. And what's selling really good, what's real hot right now, is wireless earbuds. So just type in earphones and it should come up. And as you can see, it only costs $2 to $3 at most to purchase one, which is really cheap. And the reason this has been is because Alibaba is straight from China. This is like the producer that actually makes these products, so they can sell it for way cheaper than say here over in the US or another country that you might be in. And so what you're going to be doing is the minimal order quantity is 5, so you will have to order 5, and it would probably be around $10 to $15 to get it to you. And once you do this, you want to go to ebay.com and make a listing. And on that listing, you want to list your earbuds or charger or whatever you purchased for around $15. And once this sell, you will be making anywhere from $8 to $10 in profit, which is pretty decent. So in total, it could be anywhere from $35 to $50 for your 5 little earbuds you just sold. And let's say you had 100. Let's say you bought 100 of these and you sold 100 each month. 8 times 100, 10 times 100. That's $800 to $1,000 extra each month. What you would have to do though is ship them out. So shipping doesn't cost that much, so probably take off a few bucks for shipping, but you'll still be making at least $600 to $700 bonus per month by not even doing that much. A lot of people do this method with the headphones and chargers are big ones because people definitely need those, and like they don't really care about name brand. A lot of people don't when it comes to, you know, this type of stuff. So you definitely get the sales. This is a side hustle I can really recommend because I personally did it. eBay has made me a decent quite of money. I joined in 2016. I've been selling stuff on there ever since. And moving on to number 4, we have being a Google product tester. Google come out with a lot of different features and products for their business because, you know, they're pretty big and they want to make sure before they hit live servers with whatever they're trying to sell or whatever update they're trying to do that it makes sense and that it's not with bugs. So in order to do this, they have regular people like you and me test their products and make sure, and you know, if you give them the thumbs up, they're good. If you know you have something bad about it, then you tell them. So that's pretty much all you're doing for Google Product Tester, and it's really easy to sign up. You don't really need any qualifications at all. What you would do is just go to googleproducttester.com and just enter in all your information and sign up. And they'll send you the links to apps or websites where they need you to test something out. And on occasion, they might even ask you to drive somewhere to like a facility, one of their facilities, to test out products. And then, you know, on site, you would tell whoever you're working with how the product is. And this is a great way to earn bonus money. Even if you wanted to become a full-time Google product tester, you can do that as well. And they make quite a bit of money. On average, they make around $99,000 a year, which is actually a decent amount. And this is more like a full-time job if you wanted to go that direction, but you can do part-time definitely for this if you wanted to. And at number 3, we have becoming an affiliate marketer. Becoming an affiliate marketer is free, and easy to sign up for. You can use different websites like Amazon.com or maybe CJ Affiliate, ClickBank. It's a lot of different options, and if you've been watching a couple of my videos, you've already know how much potential affiliate marketing has and how much I recommend it as well. It is pretty much a lot of hard work up front without really big income or rewards, but over time, like, you know, after like half a year, you can really grow this into a great side income or potentially even your full-time income. And there's a lot of different ways you can get into affiliate marketing, but I recommend starting off is going to Amazon.com and signing up for their affiliate program, and it's really easy. It's called Amazon Associates. You just type that into Google, search that up, sign up with your regular Amazon account, and after that, boom, they accept most people. They don't really turn people down. You just gotta have a social media. Let's say you had YouTube or maybe Instagram, TikTok, just get the link from your profile of whatever you're trying to use, and that's pretty much the only link they ask for. And after that, I'm pretty sure they're gonna accept you. Another way to start affiliate marketing is by starting a blog. And it's not that hard. A blog is pretty much you giving your review on the item. Let's say I wanted to give a review on a double desk. I've actually did this. This is actually a review I've written on my website, Our Daily Blogs, of me just giving out basically a review of what this product is. You know, I'll kind of just give a couple key features of what I like about the products, maybe a couple cons about the products, and that's pretty much all you're doing when you're writing a blog, is just, you know, going over all the details of what you like, what you didn't like, how you feel about the product, and, you know, people come and read it, and in case they want to purchase it, they can do so off of whatever decision you made on it. It's a great way to make some extra income as well, and I definitely recommend blogging. And maybe you don't want to do blogging or the Amazon way. Don't worry, it's a lot of different ways you can get into affiliate marketing. That's just a couple different ways, but if you really dive in deep or want to learn more about affiliate marketing, there's a lot of information about it now, and I can't stress enough, I really recommend getting into affiliate marketing, just because it's free and easy to sign up, and it doesn't take any upfront costs like a lot of different business styles, and you just can spend an hour or two a day working on this, and over time you will get the skills and grow the skills into this becoming a side income or potentially a full-time income. And we're already on number 2. Thank you for sticking with me. If you're getting quality and value out of this video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for me so I can keep bringing you great content. And let's get on to number 2, which is being a social media manager using Canva. Being a social media manager is a growing business style that a lot of people and a lot of different businesses need. It takes time and effort a lot of the time to build up social media. So a lot of businesses, you know, they have all the different stuff they need to do on a daily to run. They can't really focus too much on that part. So what they're going to do is just pay somebody to do this for them. This is where you come in. And I'm going to show you a really simple, easy to use website that you can use, and it's even an app for your phone if you want to download it and do it from your phone. But first, let me explain a little more on being a social media manager. All this really means is just creating a schedule and a posting period for whatever company you're promoting for. Let's say I was promoting products for a dog company. What I would do is make dog related posts for them so I can get the word out. And a lot of the times they might have different banners and ad styles that they can give you to help you out in your journey. So it's not going to just be you doing this completely alone. And it's pretty easy to do. So let's go to canva.com. This is the website we'll be using to make our social media posts. And it's really easy. It's free to sign up, which is the best part. And let's say I wanted to do for design for Pinterest or maybe TikTok or Instagram. They have all the major social media platforms, and all you have to do is just type it up in the search icon, and they have different templates that you can use, and they already have the right sizes as well. So let's go back to Pinterest and use a Pinterest pin. I will type in Pinterest pin, click on that, and select a template that I like, and I can customize it however I want. Let's say the business I'm with gave me a couple different pictures that I can use to promote their business. I can upload it and just put it on an already made template that I want, and use their brand colors as well to change up the colors of whatever template. Yes, Canva make it really simple, so being a social media manager isn't that hard. All you need to do is pretty much post 2 to 3 times a day, and let's say probably around 1 p.m. and then another time around 5 p.m. and then maybe around 9 p.m. It only take around 10 to 15 minutes to create a post, and that really isn't even an hour if you think about it. 15 and 15 is 45 minutes. So a business will probably pay you decent money just to make posts for them that won't even take you an hour a day. Let's say you had 3 clients. You'll be making some pretty good cash every day for creating these posts. And a couple websites where you can upload your services to find different businesses to promote is Fiverr.com and Upwork. Fiverr.com is a freelancing gig service that people go to when they need help with their business. And the same with Upwork. And people on both apps earn great amount of money, so you can go ahead and join them and making you some decent cash as well. Whew. And we've finally made it to number 1 on our list, and this one is pretty different. I like this one. You're gonna like it, I hope. So let's get to it. And this is by creating your very own online course. I know it sounds complicated, it sounds hard, doesn't it? But it really isn't. You can use a couple of different apps. The first one is called Skillshare, and another one is called Udemy to upload your service. And all you really have to do is record yourself doing the skill that you're great at. Let's say you're good at gaming, maybe cooking, writing, drawing. They have a lot of different categories in which you can upload in. It's pretty much just you pick your skill. I'm pretty sure you have a skill that you're better than everyone else at. It can be playing Fortnite for all I care. Somebody won't want them skills. I kind of need them skills, so maybe if you upload a gig like that, I might get it. And just break down the process of the skills that's needed to become an expert, or at least learn how to do whatever you're teaching. And you can list it up to $10, $15 or more if you wanted to. It's basically whatever you value your skill set at. And I recommend just starting off at $10 or $15, and once you get some sales under your belt, you can increase your prices over time. But having an online course is definitely a great way to make passive income as well, because you don't have to make a new course for every new customer you get. All you have to do is record and break down the process one time, and after that your skill set and your course is online pretty much forever. So whoever comes across it can purchase it if they wanted to, and you'll get that money. And no matter if it's a month later, a year later, or maybe even 10 years later, you'll still be getting paid for it, which is pretty cool if you ask me. The course probably won't even take you a whole week to create, because it's basically you just talking about the skill that you're good at. And that right there is 5 income sources that you can start today. And thank you for making it to the end of the video. And if you found value out of this video, please hit that like and subscribe button for me to stay notified about new videos. Because all we do here at Online Muscle Hustle is find different ways where we can make money online. And I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.